If you don't like taking medicine but still want relief, then try this simple home remedy. All you need is a banana, some honey, and hot water. Bananas are great for soothing your throat and packing in nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. These help boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Next, we add hot water. This helps break down mucus and keeps your throat hydrated. Finally, a spoonful of honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant with awesome antibacterial properties. Mix it all together and you've got a powerful natural remedy to kick that dry cough to the curb. Plus, it tastes delicious. Try this simple remedy and feel the soothing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share Liz J Naturals for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay healthy and take care.